Are you making these financial mistakes? Look, we all make mistakes, but when it comes to your money, some mistakes can really set you back. Today we're diving into 5 financial decisions you should avoid at all costs to secure your financial future. These are the kind of decisions that can keep you trapped in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, prevent you from building real wealth, and even put you at risk of serious financial trouble. So buckle up, grab a notepad, and let's get right into it. Alright, let's talk about high-interest debt, the silent wealth killer. I'm talking about those credit cards with 20%, 25%, even 30% interest rates. You might think, yeah, it's a little high, but I'm paying it down. But guys, that high interest is like a leak in your financial ship. It doesn't matter how much you're pouring in, that leak is constantly draining your money. Imagine this. You've got $5,000 in credit card debt at 20% interest. If you're only making minimum payments, it could take you over 15 years to pay it off, and you'll end up paying thousands in interest alone. That's money you could be investing, saving for a down payment, or using to live your life. The best way to avoid this trap? Simple, be incredibly careful with credit cards. If you can't pay it off in full at the end of the month, don't buy it. I get it, retirement seems so far away, right? Why worry about it now when you can enjoy your money today? Here's the thing. Time is your biggest asset when it comes to investing, and compound interest is the name of the game. Imagine this, you start investing $500 a month at age 25. Assuming an average return of 7%, by the time you're 65, you could have over $1 million. But if you wait until you're 35 to start, you'd need to invest almost twice as much each month to reach the same goal. Think of it like this. Every dollar you invest in your 20s and 30s has the potential to multiply many times over by the time you retire. It's like planting a tree. The sooner you plant it, the bigger and stronger it will grow. Don't let procrastination cost you your dream retirement. Chapter 3. Life throws curveballs. Your car breaks down, you lose your job, unexpected medical bills pile up. Without an emergency fund, these events can derail your entire financial plan. Suddenly, you're racking up credit card debt, taking out high-interest loans, and digging yourself into a hole that's hard to climb out of. An emergency fund acts like a financial safety net, giving you peace of mind and the ability to weather those unexpected storms without jeopardizing your long-term financial health. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. It might seem like a lot, but trust me, it's one of the smartest financial decisions you can make. Chapter 4. That flash sale, that new gadget, that must-have item, impulse buying can be a seductive beast. Before you know it, you've spent way more than you planned and your budget is out the window. The worst part? Impulse buys often lead to buyer's remorse. That excitement fades quickly, and you're left with a pile of stuff you don't really need, and a dent in your bank account. The best defense against impulse buying? Create a budget and stick to it. Make a shopping list before you go out and avoid those tempting add to cart buttons when you're browsing online. Chapter 5. Imagine putting all your money into a single stock, and that stock plummets. Devastating, right? That's why diversification is so important. It's about spreading your investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, etc., to reduce risk. Think of it like this. If one investment goes down, others might go up, balancing out your portfolio and protecting your overall wealth. Don't be afraid to explore different investment options, and seek advice from a financial advisor if you need help creating a diversified portfolio that aligns with your goals. There you have it, 5 financial decisions that can make or break your financial future. Avoid these pitfalls, and you'll be well on your way to building a solid financial foundation. Remember, it's never too early or too late to take control of your finances. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep building that wealth.